2004 Chevy Silverado. Me and the dog here are going to show you how to figure out your HVAC problem. It's not really a how-to video, more of a how-to diagnose. To figure out how to take all this shit apart, there's plenty of videos that will do a way better job than me. But what I had rolling was I had hot on the passenger side and either hot or warm on the driver's side, depending on where I put the switch. So to figure that out, what's what, the best I can tell you is this guy that's buried down there. You can see the little tags and the screw right there, but behind the orange wire. That one basically controls the passenger side for the most part. So now, with that one being good, I have cold air over here and warm air here. When it's bad, I had warm air here and hot air here. This one down here, if that one's bad, you have just the opposite, and I don't want to fuck this up, so I gotta think about it for a second. If that's bad, well, I guess it doesn't matter. I guess it depends on what position it's in. But if it's not working the way you want it to, you're gonna have cold air here and hot air on the driver's side. So it's gonna be the opposite of that one being bad. And then the one other one up here, this is your recirc one. And I had a 01 Suburban out there, and that did not have this one. But I pulled that recirc one out, and from the best I can tell, all three of these are the same. Maybe someone can tell me differently or something. I tried looking it up on the O'Reilly part finder, and it doesn't really give you a good definition of what these things are. Where's the pins in there? There it is. But yeah, these are all 5-pinners, and looks like all three of them are the same. As far as that reset, some people say you do this and wait and you pull the fuse and cycle the key and shut it off and put the fuse back in, wait 10 seconds or 30 seconds or 15 seconds or whatever. I personally have did about 10 of these. I have never had that problem. The only thing I do is I take this, and you can kind of see when they're keyed up. I don't have the metal insert right here. But you kind of get the gist of it. That's gonna sit in there like so. You see that? Not really. That's gonna sit like that. So like, focus you fuck. I just always put them in center. Like my other one was the used one I pulled out. It was off center. I just cycle the key, plug it in, cycle the key till it gets center, shut it off. It'll sit and rest there. Center your door, put it on, bolt it on. I never have a problem with resetting it. Some people say you need a scanner or do that other shit. I never have a problem. Hope that helps. Oh, for bonus nachos, there's another one underneath the side, the driver's side above the foot feet, and that is like the blend door. And I don't know that for 100%, but I'm pretty much 100%. That controls all this function where the shit goes. These here two are basically for your heat controls. That one there is for your recirc. This one here, you can hear if it's working or not. You know, usually it gets louder when it's on recirc, when it's pulling the air from the cab, than it is outside. And then that one, if you pull this out, you can actually see that door move. This here, if you have a camera like this, and it's got this milfucky camera, I could wiggle it in down through here, and I could turn the controls and see if it moves or not. That one underneath, if you lay on your back, it's pretty easy to do it. The one on the foot feet is too.